Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we simplify Excel formulas and make your data work for you. In today's video, we're going to learn how to count the occurrences of a specific word in a single cell. But here's the twist. We're going to make it dynamic so you can count any word you want by simply typing it into another cell. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive in. All right, here's the scenario. Imagine you have a single cell, let's say cell B3, that contains a bunch of text. For example, apple, mango, and so on, separated by comma. And now, you want to count how many times a specific word, like mango, appears in that cell. But instead of hard-coding the word into the formula, we'll make it dynamic by referencing another cell, say C3, where you can type the word you want to count. Let's build this step by step. Now, let's build the formula. The first thing we need to do is calculate the total length of the text in B3. For that, we'll use the LEN function. So, I'll type equal, then LEN function, then select cell B3 as the text argument. Press Enter to show the result of the formula. See, the total length of the text in B3 is 49. This gives us the total number of characters in the cell, including spaces and commas. Next, we need to remove all occurrences of the word we're counting, in this case, mango. To do that, we'll use the substitute function. This function replaces all instances of a specific word with something else. So I'll type substitute. Then the text will be from B3, select C3 as my old text, replace with the blank, then close the bracket. This will replace every occurrence of the word in C3, which is mango, with nothing, effectively removing it from the text. Press Enter to show the result of the substitute formula. Now, the text without mango looks like this modified text. Next, we calculate the length of this modified text using the LEN function again. So, I'll wrap the substitute function inside LEN, like this. Once you press Enter, the formula returned 39. This gives us the total number of characters in the text after removing all instances of mango. Here's where the magic happens. If we subtract the length of the modified text from the original length, we get the total number of characters that were removed. And since each occurrence of mango is exactly 5 characters long, we can divide this difference by the length of the word to get the count. We can write this formula in one cell, as you can see here. And there you have it. The formula calculates the number of times mango appears in B3. If I change the word in C3 to something else like apple, the formula dynamically updates to count that word instead. Pretty neat, right? And if you want to count word, spreading multiple rows, we can use TEXTJOIN function instead, selecting single cell. The result will be the same. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.